So in this video, we are going to learn how to use AI agent to extract and organize letter details into Google spreadsheet. Let's say on a regular basis, you keep on getting some letters. Now you want to extract some details like the date, sender details, subject and the content of the letter and add this data in your Google spreadsheet. So let me tell you, using this AI agent, you can completely automate this process. This AI agent will get the new letters which we are adding into a specific folder in Google Drive. After that, this AI agent will send the same letter to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to extract the data from the letter. And after extracting the data, we are going to add the extracted data in our Google spreadsheet as well. Now, if you want to learn how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Google Drive folder where we will be uploading some documents, some kind of letters over here. And using the AI agent which we are building in this video, this AI agent will take the new files, the new letters which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder. Then it will send it to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, it will extract the details, the data from those letters, like who sent the letter, what is the date, what is the subject line, what is the actual content in that letter. And after extracting all of these details, this AI agent will automatically add all of these details in your Google spreadsheet like this. So we are going to extract the details like date, sender, subject line of the letter, and also the body content, the actual content of the letter as well. And also in this Google Sheet, we are going to enter the file name from which we have extracted the data and also the file URL which we have uploaded in Google Drive. Now to do this, to build this AI agent, we have to connect all of these applications. We have to connect Google Drive, OpenAI, and Google Sheets. And to do this, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Now to get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. And as we click on sign in, we will reach to all apps page of Pabbly. Here, we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And as we click on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. After coming to this dashboard, we have to create a workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent to extract data from letters. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the folder of your Pabbly account in which you want to set up this automation, this AI agent, and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two options. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation, this whole workflow runs on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is, first we have to connect this Google Drive folder with our AI agent, with Pabbly Connect workflow in the trigger step, so that whenever a new letter file will uploaded in our Google Drive folder, the same file will be captured by this AI agent. So for that, we will just search for Google Drive in our trigger step. After selecting Google Drive in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new file in specific folder. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect with this AI agent. For that, just click on this sign in with Google button. Then here in the pop-up window, select your Google Drive account. Then after that, just scroll down and click on continue. And as you click on continue, you will see our Google Drive account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here it is asking us for the folder or subfolder. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the folders and subfolders which we have created in our Google Drive account. Out of all of this, we are going to select the folder in which we are uploading the files of letters. So here the name of this folder is letters for data extraction. So here from this drop down, I'm going to select the same folder. After selecting the folder, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last file, the most recent file which is uploaded in this Google Drive folder will be received inside Pabbly Connect. Now here in this folder right now, you can see we don't have any file right now. So let me just upload a new file over here. I'll just click on this file upload button. Then I'll just click on this proposal letter, this PDF file. Let's upload a PDF file letter over here. And after uploading the letter over here, after uploading a document in this Google Drive folder, so here you can see that we have successfully uploaded this document. Now, if I open this document here, you can see that the share permission of this letter is private to only me right now. So here what we want to do, using this AI agent, we are going to send the same document to OpenAI to extract the content from this letter. But the current share permission is private to only me. And with this share permission, OpenAI cannot extract the content from this letter. So what we have to do, we have to change the share permission of this newly uploaded document. And basically, we have to change the share permission of each and every document which we are uploading in this Google Drive folder. But changing the permission of each and every file manually is a tedious task. So what you can do, here in our Google Drive, the folder in which we are uploading these letter files, we can just change the share permission of the complete folder itself. And the share permission of each and every file uploaded on this folder will be having the same share permission. So here we'll just click on this folder name from the drop down, click on share and click on the share option. Then after that, here you can see the current share permission is restricted. From this drop down, select the share permission as anyone with the link and then just click on done. And as we click on done, here you can see that the share permission of all the files in this folder will change to anyone with the link over here. So in this way, you can change the share permission of all the files. After uploading the file and changing the share permission of the folder, just go to Pabbly Connect and click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response here, you can see that we have received the web view link of the same document. And after that, here in front of web content link as well, here you can see this is the download link of the same file over here. If I open this web view link in a new tab, the same letter document will open in front of us. And if I open this download link, the same file will be downloaded in my system as well. So I have opened the download link and now you can see that the same file has been downloaded once again. So in this way, you can see that we have received the details. Also, if we scroll down, you will see we have received some other details of the same file as well. Like here you can see we have the file name and the rest of the details as well. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have successfully received the new letter file from our Google Drive folder in this workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. And in step 2, we are going to send the same file to OpenAI and extract the data out of it. For that, just scroll down, come to this action step. Here in Choose App, search for OpenAI and select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as extract content from PDF/image. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just log into your OpenAI account and go to the dashboard. After coming to dashboard, from the left sidebar, select API keys and then click on this create new secret key button. Now let's give this API key a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent to extract data from letters. You can give any other name as per your choice. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account for which you are generating the API key and select the permissions as all and click on this create secret key button. And as you click on create secret key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on save. And as we click on save, here you can see our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here it is asking us for the OpenAI model, that which model of OpenAI we want to use to extract the content from these letters. So here in this dropdown, you can see we have 4 options. Out of these 4, I'm going to use the model as GPT-4o mini. After selecting the model, it is asking us for the URL of the PDF file or the image from which we want to extract the content. So we have uploaded the letter file in our Google Drive folder and we have received the response, the details of this file in the trigger step of our workflow. So here from the trigger step responses, we have to add this response of the download link of web content link to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step response in this action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. Just click on this field of image/PDF URL field. And here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Drive. Out of all of these responses, select the response of web content link and it will be mapped. After mapping this, it is asking us for the prompt. So what is the prompt we want to give to OpenAI? What do we want OpenAI to do with this file? We have to enter it over here. So let's say I want to enter the prompt as extract So this is the prompt which I'm entering. Extract the details like date, sender details, subject, and body content from the letter and give response in structured JSON format. So here, this is the prompt. I want OpenAI to do this with this document. Now you must be thinking, what is this structured JSON format? And in the next field as well, you can see this field of structured output. Now what we want to do, from this particular document, we want to basically extract 4 specific details which we want to add in Google Sheet. Date, sender, subject, and body content. We want to basically extract these 4 details. And every time we are going to upload any document or any letter in this particular Google Drive folder, we want to just extract the data for these 4 key fields. Now we want a structured response, a fixed response from OpenAI after extracting the details. We have to basically enter a JSON schema or JSON object mentioning that what are the details we want to extract. Now you must be thinking, what is this JSON schema? What is this JSON object and how you can create it? So don't worry, it is not at all a technical thing. OpenAI has a tool using which you can create a JSON schema of your choice. Here in important note, you can see this link over here. Just click on it and it will take you to a page on OpenAI. Just make sure that you have logged into your OpenAI account and then just click on this generate button. Now, as you click on generate, here we just have to mention that for what fields we want to basically generate the JSON schema. So let's say I want to basically mention that extract the details as string for, and then all the 4 details which we want to extract from the letters. Like we want to extract the date, sender, subject, and body count, which we want to extract and add in Google Sheet. We're just going to copy all of these 4 things named from here and paste it over here. Extract the details as string for date, sender, subject, and body content. And let's click on create. Now, as we click on create, here you can see within seconds, a JSON schema will be created. And here it is. A JSON schema is created where we are mentioning to OpenAI that we want to extract the details and get date, sender, subject, and body content. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to copy this JSON schema from here and then just paste it over here in structured output field. After entering the JSON schema, just click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see within few seconds, we are going to receive some response over here. So let's wait for a few seconds. And yes, here you can see that within few seconds, we have received the response. And in this response, we have the same data which we have mentioned in the JSON schema extracted from the letter. Here in letter, you can see that the date was 5th of April 2025. And here you can see we have extracted the same date. We have the same sender details which we have mentioned in the letter over here. We have the same body and the same subject line from the letter as well extracted over here. And because we wanted 4 different responses for 4 different things, that's why we have entered this JSON schema, the structured output. After extracting these details, now we want to add the same details using this AI agent in our Google spreadsheet. For that, we will just scroll down, click on this add action step button, and then here in choose app, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as add new row, then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. Then just select your Google Sheets account. Then after that, just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the spreadsheet. So here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have created in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, I have created the spreadsheet named as extracted data from letters, in which we want to add the details. So from the drop-down, we are going to select the same spreadsheet. And in this spreadsheet, you can see we have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That's why here from the drop-down, we are going to select sheet 1 as that's the only option we have. Then all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these column headers as fields over here inside Pabbly Connect. And one by one, we have to enter the details in these fields. And to add the details, we are going to use the same process of mapping. We will just click on this field of date, and from the drop down from OpenAI responses, we are going to select the response of date and map it over here. Then here in the field of sender, we are going to map the sender details extracted from letter. Then we are going to map the subject line extracted from the letter, and at last the body content of the letter as well. Also, we have added 2 columns of file name and file URL. So from Google Drive trigger step, we have received the response of file name. So we will just search for the response of file name from there and map it over here. And then here in file URL from Google Drive responses, we are going to map the response of the file URL too. And after mapping all of these details, just click on save and send test request. And as you click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received a response. This response seems to be a positive response to us, and it shows that the data which we have mapped, basically the details of the letter which we have extracted over here, the same details are now added with the details of the letter like file name and file URL in Google Sheets. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google spreadsheet, and yes, here you can see that in our Google spreadsheet, the same details are now added. We have the same date extracted from the document from the letter. We have the same sender details, same subject, same content of the letter. Also, we have the same file name and the file URL as well, which we have uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So this basically means that we have successfully created this AI agent, which will get the letters from our Google Drive folder, extract the details, and add the details in our Google spreadsheet. Now, after building this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. For that, I'll just go to Google Drive and upload a file over here. So I'm just going to upload another letter over here. Let's say I have this payment reminder letter. Let me just upload it. And once we upload this letter over here, we will see automatically within 10 minutes, the details of this letter will be extracted and added in our Google spreadsheet as a new row. And it basically takes 10 minutes of time because the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect trigger is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, our AI agent will be keep on searching, keep on looking for new files, new letters in our Google Drive folder every 10 minutes. So let's wait for 10 minutes over here. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. Now let's check our Google spreadsheet. And yes, here you can see that in our Google Sheet, a new row of data is added over here where we have extracted the date from the document and added it. So in this document, you can see that we have the date as 28th of March and same data is added in our Google spreadsheet. We have the same sender details, same subject line and same body content of this document over here. You can see the sender name is dummy employee over here. This is the email address, this is the subject and the body content. So in this way, we have successfully extracted the data from the letter and added in our Google spreadsheet. Also, we have the file name from Google Drive and also the file URL. And if I click on this link, the same document in our Google Drive folder will open and download in front of us over here. So in this way, you can see that we have successfully created this AI agent using which you can extract the data from a letter and add it in your Google spreadsheet. It's not just this, you can build AI agent to connect multiple applications and automate a lot of processes using Pabbly Connect. Also, let me tell you that you will get a clone link of this same AI agent of this workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using this for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan, and in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.